7 Gut Smart Fruits You Can Eat Without Guilt. Number 1. Bananas. This is one fruit that you can really feel good about eating a lot of. They're not only delicious and convenient, but they're also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients that support digestion. But here's the inside secret: slightly green bananas are even better. Why? Because they contain a special kind of fiber called prebiotics, which feed our good gut bacteria. These friendly bacteria, especially a type called bifidobacteria, help break down food, produce important vitamins, and keep our guts happy and healthy. Plus, bananas contain something called pectin, which acts like a gentle cleanser, soothing the digestive tract and preventing constipation. Number 2. Apples. They say an apple a day keeps the bad stuff away, and they're right. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. But that's not all. Apples also contain polyphenol, a natural compound that has been shown to improve gut health by promoting a diverse and balanced microbiome. Plus, their high fiber content helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. So go ahead and dig in. Your gut will thank you. Number 3. Blueberries. They may be small, but blueberries are a powerhouse of gut-supporting nutrition. They're loaded with antioxidants and polyphenol that help reduce gut inflammation and promote a diverse microbiome. In fact, studies have shown that eating just 1 cup of blueberries a day can significantly improve gut health. And don't worry about the seeds, they're totally safe to eat and actually add a nice crunch to every bite. Number 4. Papaya. This tropical fruit is not only a delicious and refreshing snack, but also a true gut hero. It contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion and helps break down protein. This makes papaya a natural remedy for bloating and constipation. Plus, it's a good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium, which support overall gut health. Number 5. Kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit is a true gem when it comes to gut health. It's a natural digestive aid that's high in fiber and actinidin, an enzyme that helps digest proteins. Kiwis are also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that support a healthy immune system and reduce gut inflammation. In fact, studies have shown that eating kiwis can improve gut motility and alleviate symptoms of indigestion and constipation. Number 6. Pineapple. This juicy and delicious fruit is another excellent source of digestive enzymes. It contains bromelain, which has been shown to aid in digestion and reduce stomach discomfort. Bromelain is a protease enzyme, which means it helps break down protein. This can be especially helpful for those who experience bloating or indigestion after eating protein-rich meals. Plus, pineapple is a good source of vitamin C and manganese, which support overall gut health. Number 7. Pears. They're not just delicious and juicy, but also packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. This combo helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut happy and healthy. The insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your digestive system more easily, while the soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. And there you have it, 7 gut-smart fruits that are not only delicious and nutritious, but also support a healthy gut. So next time you're in the mood for fruit, reach for one of these options and give your gut some love. Thank you for watching.